Good day everyone. Today I want to sharing some information about tips. If you're using the underground system, the center we have the center lock, so solenoid lock. Sometimes the solenoid lock we can't bypass manual open. Let's say example power failure or something happen you can't open the gate. You need to use the bypass key, right? Step 1, you need to plug in the key first. You don't turn the key. You plug in the key. Second, you need to pull the gate, pull in until maximum. Pull in the gate, then you only turn. After you turn, step 3, you can push up. Then the gate already bypassed. For take care of the lock, actually we advise at least once a month. You need to spray some like WD-40 and rust. You just spray some oil on it. You spray the spring there. The spring got front and the back. Both sides you need to spray. If you do this kind of method, you will extend the lifespan. So I hope this video can help you all. Thank you.